Right, so quickly just filled up with fuel, so now I have a full tank of gas. I have 216 miles to my next destination, which is going to take about 3 hours 21 minutes. Heading into Arizona. So we're getting quite deep into Arizona now. I'm about 30 miles beyond the fuel station with 180 miles to go. Grand Canyon, 166 miles away. Miles. 125 miles to go. 125 miles to go, and I should be there in about 2 hours at 6:30 this evening. Miles, 30 miles to go, half an hour. Right, so I've made it to the Grand Canyon. It is 10 to 7 in the evening and I've missed sunset, which is a big shame. Let me just do that again. Right, I've made it to the Grand Canyon. Right, so I've made it to the Grand Canyon and I've missed the sunset because it took so long to get here. And then I parked in the wrong place and had to sprint the other quarter of a mile. But I'm here.